Hey guys, today's video, I am going to be sharing a quick little makeover of this footstool. I picked this little footstool up from my local thrift store for only $1. The base is made of solid wood, but the cushion of the footstool definitely needs to be reupholstered. So let's get right to it. I flipped the thing over and I unscrewed the screws that were holding the cushion of the footstool to the base, and then I began removing all of the staples that was holding the fabric in place. So for the base, I decided that I'm gonna paint it. So first, I grabbed some sandpaper and I gave it a light scuff sanding just to help with the paint to adhere a little bit better. And then I came back with a wet, soapy rag and cleaned everything off. And then after that, I came back with a clean, wet rag to remove any of that residue. I decided on this beautiful gray color from Waverly Inspirations chalk paint. I used this paint to paint a dresser and I had some left over, and I just absolutely love the color of this paint and I think it is gorgeous. So I applied 2 coats of the paint to the footstool base. For the cushion, I am going to be reupholstering it using this linen-like fabric. I picked this fabric up from my local thrift store. I think it was about 50 cents for all of this. Of course, I will need scissors and a staple gun as well. I cut out the size that I needed to cover the cushion, and then I got to stapling it down. Now that the base has had time to thoroughly dry, I'm going to seal it using this water-based polyurethane. And I applied 2 coats of the sealer. Now for the cushion, I wanted to add a grain sack stripes to it, so I grabbed some painter's tape and then just laid it out on the cushion, and then using the same chalk paint, I painted on the stripe. After letting that dry, I removed the tape and moved them over a little to make a similar, smaller stripe next to the large one. So I didn't like the spacing between the main stripe and the second one, so I decided to make the big stripe a little bit bigger so that it would even it all out. Now it is time to put the cushion back onto the base. To cover the little imperfections around the edging, I'm going to use this cotton rope that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to hot glue it down to the edges. Now, just a quick reminder of what this footstool looked like before, and here it is now. I really like how it turned out. I think the grain sack stripes look really nice with this piece, and I am just really happy with how it looks. That is all I have for today. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you on a later video.